So hi friends, welcome back. Myself Krish and I'm a GG leader Agra. I'm a gold certified trainer and innovator as well. So in the series of the Looker Studio, Google Looker Studio, I have brought one project which I have created using the Looker Studio. One thing which I would like to tell you that this Looker Studio will help you to create the dashboard, but on the basis of the data. So the formula related to the columns related to the entity you will have to apply on the resource. So very limited features are available when you are going to apply the formula in Looker Studio. It can allow you to use filters. It can allow you to um, create new fields. This all is possible, but the features are limited to create the formula or apply the formula. But whatever you want to create, whatever you want to apply, means in the form of the formula and the statement, you will have to do it in the resource only. So I created a dashboard for the students for my school, the fee collection dashboard. So for that, I'm going to show you first fee dashboard collection, and then I'll show you how to create that dashboard. So let's move to our Looker Studio. So this is the Looker Studio. If you see fee collection of the quarter, so there are three tables. There are three tables. So means I circulated a Google form through which I collected the information from the students, and I also uh, took the complete strength of the class, and out of those students who have submitted the fee are listed in this table, and the students who have not submitted the fees yet are listed in this table. So overall there are 40 students. So out of 40, 4 have paid the fees and 36 have not paid the fees, and they are being treated as the defaulters. So how this dashboard has been created, I'm going to tell you, and how the background of the dashboard is set. This will I'll tell you how to do it. So before or discussing on this structure, and one more thing, the point is, whatever data is submitted in the resource, so as soon as the data source is updated, the dashboard is automatically updated. So if the child deposits the fees, the deposit the status of deposition of fees will be reflected in this table, and this will automatically be updated. Similarly, number of defaulters are automatically updated. Similarly, the list of students who are defaulters automatically reduces. So see here, there are uh, you know 36 students are in defaulter table, and total list is 40 students, and 4 are the paid students. So the list of the paid students is this. So I'm going to create the dashboard on the resource I have. So to do this, I'm going to Looker Studio, Looker Studio dot google dot com. So here, this is the interface of the dashboard. And since I'm going to create a new report, since these are the reports which I have shown you, fee status, and this time I am going to create a blank report. So I'll click on plus sign. So this is the interface on which I am going to create the report of the project. The students who have submitted the project will be reflected in one table. The students who have not submitted the project yet will be reflected or will be listed in another table, and one table will have the list of the complete strength. And since it is initially it is untitled report, but as I select the resource data source, so I'm going to select the resource. So this is the resource. So there are three sheets: form responses, my actual list, the complete list or the strength of the class, and this is the defaulters who have not submitted the project. Correct? And if I want to you know select the table sheet one by one, I can also select. So I'm going to select one. One table is selected with first row as header. Add. Okay, so by default this table appears. So I'm going to delete this. And before I move ahead, I would like to add more resource. So I'll go to resource, manage fields. So here there is only one table, that is the response sheet. I'm going to add, and from this sheet I'll take the name list and here add. And then I'll also delete this table. Simply delete. So now I have two sheets, name list and responses from the students. I'm going to add one more, add data source. I can add the data source from here also, but I'll go to this place, resource, manage, and add the data source. So next time I select the same spreadsheet, and this time I'm going to take this defaulters. But here since this is my sheet and I'm going to select this, so here this header first row is a header row, but this time this is a title. So I'll have to select the range from A to B onwards. B A2 A2 to B. This I'll take. So this way I have selected all three sheets of my worksheet or spreadsheet. So delete it. Now you see I have one name list and defaulters and form. For the defaulters, I have applied a formula in the sheet only. So see here, I've applied this formula to filter out all those students who are defaulters. Okay, so back to our report. Now I'm going to give a name, dashboard on projects, and so this is page 1. So first I would like to adjust this page. For that I'll go to page tab, current page setting. So here I'm going to set the size of this page. So like slide measurement, one Google slide measurement or PowerPoint slide measurement is 1920 to 1 into 1080. So this is the aspect ratio. So I'm taking the same 1920 and 1080. This is the measurement I have taken, and color of the page. So I'm going to take the color. I can choose any color, like if I take this, so on the entire page this color will be spread. And if I select gradient, I can also select the gradients. So this is linear gradient, not we have radial and linear. So linear is quite okay. I'm going to take the color here. So I have selected this. So you can select many colors on this line. So first color is this, and second I'm going to add one more. So this I'll select bit light. So here this is a light, and I want to add one more and lighter. I take the lighter one. So I have selected 4 colors here, and this is I'll select white. Then done. So now this is the background of the page. So it will appear right now. So data source is already available. Now I am going to select the chart. The first chart I am going to select is first I'll give the title of this dashboard. Delete this dashboard title. Okay, so if you want to fill the color, you can fill it. So here this is the text properties. So I'm going to write the text in this box. So what is the color should be? So I'm taking say white color here to write. Dashboard going to increase the font size. So I'm taking say 60. setting in the middle dashboard. And the color of this, I must increase the size of this one 72 or in 84, 84, and resize. Okay, and if you want to make it bold, make it bold then. And background, I am going to take the background as, will it work? Yes, it may work. And then I'm going to take the corners, curve corners, say I'm taking 15, and the lines, line color, and what should be the line thickness, I'm taking 2, and add border shadow. So this is the heading of my dashboard. Now I'm going to take how many students are there, so I'll take name list, add chart, to see here. So this record count, so here they are the students, 40 students. Now I'm going to apply this style here. Style, show title. The title of this scorecard is strength, and the size of this is I'll take it as 30, and set the color white, and I'll check align as the center line. Then the next value is the label. Label color is black, so I'll turn it to white. And so here there's a field name, so field name is the record count, and so record count is a field which is taken by default, so it counts the records. Then if you do not want to show the field, you can hide it. So here you see the field is hidden. And now this is the field value I want to take it into middle. What is the background of this? So I am going to take the background of this is as, say, maroon, and corners taking, say, 15, or I say I must take 10 only. Line color, I suppose white. Line thickness, I'll take 2. Border shadow, yes. And after this, I'll show the list of the students. So I'll take one more chart. This is a table. So I can take any kind of table with chart, table with graphs. So this is without chart table. So I'm taking this table here. So this is a list, and if you see here, these are the names. and name is the dimension, so names and uh, these are the serial numbers automatically coming up. And I'm not going to take record count because every student of count 1, so I am deleting it. And then color, and come to the style. So style, I'll show the strength, total strength, and the size I'm going to take is say 30, and center aligned. The color I must choose white, okay, and then shadow and color of the label, no, color of the labels, color of the labels, so table labels. So I'm going to take again white. And what is table footer mean to say this, the footer of this table. So if you want to adjust, you can do. So there's only one dimension, and this is left aligned in the column. And here also I'm going to take the curve. So this I'll take 10, and the border color is white, line thickness 2, and add border shadow. So this way my one list is completed, but yet I have to change the size of the character or label. This is 12, so I'm going to take 18. And if you want to set the background, you can set the background also. So background light blue, so this is the background. So one assignment is over, and now our next assignment is total number of students who submitted the project. So submitted, I have to select one. Name list, it is there. Responses who have submitted, so I'll select this. I'm gonna take the total count. So here total count, and see here numbers. These numbers are the calculation, but I do not want this calculation because this is just because of admission number, and I want to take the name here. Rather, I don't want the matrix. If you want to take the name here and dimension, and then matrix, so this will count. And here you can take any option because these students are distinct students, so it will count it as 40. And if you use count distinct, so if students names are duplicate names, then it will count duplicates also. So in that case I must use count distinct. Okay, count distinct, and again I'll have to format it. So how to format this? First come to the style of this and show the title, I shouldn't take this. I must take, I have to select another response. So this is, the number is 4. So 4 have turned up. 4 students have turned up and submitted the project. Now change the style. Turned up. Turned up. Taking 30 and change the color. I'll take it as white. I'll take center aligned, then label, I'll take white, and this is also center aligned. Hide the field name, and the size is 30. Size is 30. Curve I'm going to take 10. Color, obviously I'm going to take white. Thickness of the line is 2. Add border shadow, and color of this I take as light magenta. Oh, this is line color, I'm sorry. White. Magenta is this. Okay, so 4 have turned up. Now I am going to take the table. Again, what is the style? Turned up students. Taking 30. Color, I'll prefer white, and take center aligned, then shadow, show, and header. Label color, I'll again prefer white. 18, I must prefer 18. And background color, light magenta, or you can have the dark, okay, dark magenta. Corners, tan, border color white, size 2, thickness 2, shadow, yes. So yeah, this is done. Now the next is the defaulters. So I have to select the defaulters. So this is the defaulters. Now I am going to choose this one, and for that I'll go to add chart, scorecard, I gonna take defaulters, not defaulters. Yes, so there are 36 defaulters. Now give this style defaulters, defaulters. I'll take 30, center aligned, label color I take white, and here also I am going to take white, white. Then hide field name and field value in center, background I take, if I'm going to take background yellow, then I must change this color of the label, so I'm taking blue, blue color. Again, this is of 10. Okay, white, thickness 2, add border shadow. So this scorecard done. Now next is going to take the table of defaulters, table of defaulters. So name is I am going to take in ascending order. I'll take dimension as name. So names are listed here. And record count sort on ascending order. I do not want record count. So if you want to resize it, you can resize it, like adjust it. Now come to the style. So on style, this is the list of defaulters. List of defaulters. Taking 30. Color I'm going to take white. So adjustment you can make it here. And the label color I'm gonna take blue because I'm going to give the background color as light yellow. Light yellow. So light yellow. Ten corners, white color, or you can take black also or dark color. And thickness of the line is 2. Okay, and the size I must increase the label size. I'll take 18. So I think job is done. So if you do not want to appear these data resource or properties and filter bar, you can click on the icons, so these automatically go off, and this way you can see your dashboard is ready. So click on view. So here this is your dashboard. So here there are 40 students, 40 students, and out of 40, 4 have turned up and submitted the project. Okay, here this email IDs are coming, so I have to edit this. And so this is dynamic. So once I select this email ID, so it counts one. Come to the dashboard and responses. Responses, properties, not email. I don't want email ID. It must take name of the student, name of the student. So see here, and I must remove the matrix. So here this is. Now see the view. Okay, so this way we can create our dashboard. Reset. So there are 4 turned up students. These are the defaulters, 36 defaulters, and total strength is 40. Now you want to share it with your friends or your teacher or your principal, you can share it from here. And if you want to share with open link, public link, so you can click on public and copy the link and save it and share it with the people. One more thing, if you want to give the edit rights, you can give the edit rights also. But this time I'm not going to give the edit rights. Suppose if you want to give the edit rights, you can give the editor right. Okay, done. So this way we can create a dashboard. So how is this? Kindly comment if you like it, and kindly share and subscribe, and share it with the students or your friends. So this kind of dashboard we can create. Or if you want, if you have not subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe it, so that and press the bell icon also, so that you get the notification as and when the video is created. So how is this? Kindly comment in the description box. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.